Have you ever wondered how some individuals seem to effortlessly maintain a youthful appearance or youthful looking skin, and they look way younger than their age? They don't even look their age at all. Do you sometimes wonder how they are able to do this? Well, it turns out that incorporating certain foods into your diet is going to help supercharge your effort to look and feel younger. So join us as we will be uncovering the secrets to this ageless beauty and how you too can also have your skin looking and feeling youthful. Before we continue, I want you to understand that aging is a natural process. It affects all of us. Do you know that the food choices we make can have a significant impact on our age? Did you actually know that? Consuming well-balanced, nutrient-rich diet is very crucial for maintaining our overall health, including the health of our skin, hair, and also nails. Anti-aging foods are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that can help to combat the signs of aging from within. One of the key reasons why incorporating anti-aging foods into your diet is important for ageless beauty is the ability to fight off oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between antioxidants and free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the aging process. Anti-aging foods such as colorful fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which helps to neutralize free radicals and also reduce the damage they may cause. Berries, leafy greens, citrus are especially potent sources of antioxidants, which also offers your skin protection against premature aging and promoting a youthful complexion. Another important aspect of anti-aging foods is their ability to support collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides the structure to our skin, so it gives it its strength and elasticity. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, which leads to skin sagging and wrinkles. By incorporating collagen-rich foods such as your fish, nuts, bone broth into your diet can help to maintain and promote collagen production in your skin, which is going to result to a firmer and more youthful skin. Including healthy fats in your diet is also crucial for ageless skin. Healthy fats like those that are found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish help to support your skin health by providing essential fatty acids to your skin. This fatty acid is going to help keep your skin moisturized and supple, preventing dryness and the appearance of fine lines. Anti-aging foods are often rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining a youthful looking skin. So whole grains, legumes, and nuts, for example, provides a wide range of vitamins such as vitamin E, which can protect your skin from sun damage, and minerals like zinc, which aids in skin repair and regeneration. So the next time you are planning your meals, do not forget to include these anti-aging foods that can supercharge your effort to look and feel younger. Remember that a well-balanced diet that incorporates the right nutrients and antioxidants and healthy fats can help fight off oxidative stress and support collagen production, as well as provide essential vitamins and minerals for ageless beauty. Remember, it's never too late to start incorporating these anti-aging foods into your routine. And what are these anti-aging foods? Let me give you a quick recap and list out some of the foods that you can use in order to maintain a youthful skin, which includes your antioxidants like your berries and your citrus like oranges. This is antioxidants that is needed in your body, and also taking avocado, taking fish, taking your legumes, your nuts, your whole grains, take your olive oil, take your leafy greens, and your fruits. Ensure you watch my next video because I have many helpful videos like this that you should absolutely check out. Thank you. I am going to see you in this video. Bye.